Hi, do you have a moment to talk about lexicography?
For Mark's sake, it's them again. Just close the door.
Hi, do you have a moment to talk about Hi, do you have a moment to talk about lexicography?
Lexicography. Okay, please come in.
So, in the line of whose teachings are you, sister in English?
Linguistics. Chomsky, to be precise.
But have you heard of lexicography?
And by lexicography, you're referring to a branch of applied linguistics?
No, it's an independent discipline relying on experts coming from different disciplines.
Oh, I see. So you're in the line of Wiegandian, I suppose.
So you know his works?
Perfunctionally. He made a couple of good observations on the practice of dictionary making. He's not BC.
BC?
Before Chomsky.
While I'll agree with you, I must add that lexicography presupposes not only practice, but also theory.
Theory, semantics, pragmatics, morphology, phonology. That's dictionary theory within the field of linguistics.
But have you ever tried to carry around Wickens and Gouws dictionaries and an international encyclopedia of lexicography? How can you say that's nothing?
Dictionaries. An international encyclopedia of lexicography. This is a linguistic product.
No, it's a meta-lexicographic work.
I am the lemma,
What
the guiding element of all articles in a dictionary. How can I help you?
So, we're having a discussion about lexicography and linguistics. We would like to know what they are and how they relate to each other.
Hark, users, for I can only answer your questions in items giving the paraphrase of meaning and contextual and cotextual items, and other content typically found in the macro, the medio, the micro, and the article structure of our dictionaries. Linguistics, that is the scientific study of language. Lexicography is a science in its own right, the cultural practice of dictionary making, with an interactive relation between theory and practice.
So, no overlap?
And how about theory and lexicography?
By analyzing and discussing the structure of dictionaries, Wiegandian added a component to his successful attempts, formulating a general theory of lexicography that emphasizes the formal features of dictionaries. Cross-reference. Scientific peace is the healthy discussion and well-motivated cooperation between different disciplines.
Seriously?
Note: no, but you can take it seriously.